afternoon, guys.
Good afternoon, guys. We're back at Army Navy again.
After 1 year.
After 1 year.
What are you going to do?
Eating at Army Navy. Food review. Like last year. Like a year.
Like a year ago.
Like a year ago. Tama?
Excited?
Yes, of eating. You know, I like churros.
What did we do today? Where are we right now?
Walter Mart.
Before going to Walter Mart,
Therapy.
Therapy. What happened in therapy?
Teacher Wing first and then Teacher Bella.
Before therapy, what did you do?
I was playing.
Before playing your phone, what did you do?
School.
Okay guys, see you later.
Okay guys, see you when the food is here.
Here is our receipt. Anong order namin? Freedom fries?
Freedom fries, churros with what's C mean?
Chocolate.
Chocolate, 4 cheese,
Salsa. A&S sauce.
A&S sauce.
Steak tacos.
Steak tacos.
Coke.
Coke. So discount 158.04 discount.
Yeah.
Hi.
Can you read that?
What's this?
Querida Mia. The other one.
Querida.
Querida.
Birthday. English translated face. My dear, my beloved. World quesadilla. With our special Querida sauce topped with mozzarella. Cheddar cheese, onion, lettuce, jalapeno, tomato, green bell pepper, cilantro, guacamole, and sour cream. Que rico! Que bonita! Querida mía!
Querida Mia.
Cats! Good video today!
So while waiting for our food, can you tell us what's happening at home? What's happening with our cats?
Cutie is pregnant and amazing. Cutie was pregnant.
Yes.
Cutie is pregnant. You won't believe it. Amazing and Cutie are for parent and I'm the for brother.
Yeah. Are you excited to see the
babies?
Yeah, once she gives birth?
Yes. Cutie would give 1 to 8. 1 to 8.
So don't expect more, huh? So guys, if you want cats, once nanganak si Cutie, let me know. bigyan namin kayo pag nag 1 month na. Okay?
Love you.
Love you. Hi guys.
Hi guys. We're gonna do a food review now.
Okay, so what are we going to start first? We're going to start with 4 cheese quesadilla.
Quesadilla 4 cheese. Come on.
Sit down na.
With fries.
Hindi, anak. With the fries. You try it first.
Is it full of cheese?
Yeah.
Mozza.
Ano nasa? Break mo.
Tastes like mozzarella.
And?
And
Kainin mo lang na kainin. What do you like about it? What you don't like about it? Ganon.
what I like about it, I like mozzarella sticks because it's my favorite.
Hindi, ayan, yung ano.
I like this because I like cheese.
What do you rate?
10 out of 10.
Totoo.
100 out of 10.
Diba? Kain ka na kain. Nice. Sarap siya.
I have to drink water.
Sarap ng pork cheese. Normally kasi, binibili ko steak.
What's that sound?
Lasa-lasa po.
Can opening sound?
Yeah. Masarap. Sarap din yung salsa. Really good steak with it. Medyo pricey talaga siya. Pero, masarap eh.
Hindi, yung ano, kas.
My first time of trying this.
Yeah. Ito naman, soft taco. With tasty siya. That's pita. Ano? You have to taste. With the meat. Ba't ayaw mo? Ayaw. Hindi kasi talaga siya kumakain ng kung ano man. So, I'll try it on my end.
This is spicy. Once I'm done with this, I can eat the churros. It looks like a slice of what?
Pizza.
It's the same shape.
Gusto mo yan ngayon?
What's this? What? What? No cinnamon. We will do an ASMR
Next time.
Let's ASMR. Whoa, did you hear that crunch? Let me try it. Dipping sauce.
tacos, sarap ganun at par. Masyado matigas yung steak. I'll give it a 3 out of 5.
I give this and 10 out of 5. And naman soon. Like bite of churros, but no cinnamon. Excuse me.
Sarap nung chocolate dip. So, sarap pag caramel. Hey guys, update. I'm back at 92 kilograms. Stop taking some of my meds for my PCOS, which is making me bloated. Pagupit ako. Pagupit ako ng hair.
You gonna cut your hair?
Hindi, nagpagupit ako ng hair.
Just cut your hair?
Water. Pero promise, hindi na ako magpapagupit. Ever. Siya lang. Finish your soda, ha? Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I will give Armini 3.5 out of 5. Overpriced. Pero masarap. Masarap naman. Pero overpriced. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe and share this and click the bell button so that you can get notifications from us, and don't skip ads so that you'll earn money, because all of our videos include paid promotion.
Thank you so much for watching.